If it was going to be a revision session, you calculate it.
Yeah, because we're not doing it closer to but let's just get it. Tends to be really, but we don't think about it as like great.
That's alright.
I'm a bit different to the chicken.
You know, even
Everything gets a chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm on these videos. No, it's because it's so popular. It's all gone.
It does seem strange to have a library behind this. It's so.
It's probably one of these that's been decommissioned.
Sorry.
Hold on to the
Sorry.
Convincing facilities that they need this.
Yeah. Visitation.
Smaller room. Malapit ako sa taasin kapag kay elevator. And this is my view. Viewing the sunset. Okay. Back in Birmingham. Yeah. Good morning. Someday, good luck, wish me luck, thank you, salamat. Okay, see. Morning, for breakfast.
I'm selling on 50. Have a look at where the other building is, right?
My lunch, baby. Cornish pasty. I mean. San Pancras now. Just waiting for my train. It leaves at 15:07. Yeah. See you in a bit. Love you.
There, like real time. With pistachio,
Doesn't take that much. Make a cannoli.
cannoli siciliane and pastry. Can you ask please if they have something for diabetics? Okay, I don't think so. With sugar everywhere. Ask, so I didn't take anything.
Yes, it's huge.
Ask. So ask.
Actually it's yeah, I'm trying. I'm just gonna One week ka nang binubuhay ng soup. Bawal magkasakit. Bed cleaning. Let's tackle the windows. Yep. Let's see.
Oh, thank you.
Hello there. Let's take it out. Yeah, this is the spicy one.
Oh, you have this.
No, it's just lentils. Green mango. Yeah. What is this?
Oh, wait, this or this?
Wow. I told you it's spicy. Okay lang. Lahat bakasyon na. Char. Balik pa naman. Ubo. This is the first time I'm gonna help Hawaiian pizza meal. Yum yum yum.